So here we are in the greenhouse. It's February 16th, 2022. 42 degrees out. It's a very warm day for northern Michigan. 65 in here. Been maintaining a good growing environment. Things are going pretty good. I've been growing Pac Choy exclusively because I love to eat it, and it's usually pretty easy to grow. Little challenges in here that maybe someone could help me out with. Actually, these are about 7 weeks old. These are probably like 4 to 5 weeks old. These are like 3 to 4 weeks old. These are going to go in today. You can see they're starting to, leaves are yellowing, and that's just because they've used up all the nutrients that they were packed with in the seed, and it's not bad. That just means they're ready to get in and start and keep growing. So anyway, growing under this incredible sun, this incredible light that maybe is too much for me. I've been backing the light off. Now it's as high as I can get it. I can't go any higher. I'm getting a little problem here with like burning or something. It's not nutrient. I'm thinking the light was too close, so I kept backing it off. I just put these in 2 weeks ago. The light was in the high position. I'm not getting any burn yet, but if they do, then I'll know that it's probably the light. There is one other factor that I wanted to talk about. It's February, mid-February in Michigan. The ground is a solid block of ice right now. So just because I'm maintaining a good 55, 60 degree temperature inside here doesn't mean that this is not going to join up with the ice below it. So what I've done was I put in, you can see that black cable right over there. That is a 20-foot long de-icing cable that we usually put on our roofs to keep ice from building up. I've got it at the bottom of this grow bed in here, so it's down about 10 inches, and it's keeping the soil from freezing. When you dig down in to it, you can feel it. It's warm, and I'm wondering, maybe is my soil too hot? Is that why I'm getting this burn? I keep backing the light away and I'm still getting that. I got another thing going on over here which I can compare to. I'm growing more Pac Choys under this T5, like full spectrum, blue, red, white, and just in soil. So I don't need they're in pots, so I don't need to heat the soil. So that factor is eliminated here, and I think I'm far enough away there. So we'll see how these do, if they start to burn. I mean, that's a little bit of it, but these are looking good so far. And we'll see what's happening here, if I can learn how to address this problem. If anyone has any suggestions for me. Oops, there goes the wrench. I'd appreciate it. That'd be great. These things are great. I would encourage anyone to grow them, just in pots under a cheap little light like this. It's, real easy to do. Something good to do in winter too. Let's take a look outside. It's pretty frozen, but we are having a pretty good mild day today. It's supposed to rain and turn into snow, so this will be a real mess. Yep. Alright, that's the update here. Hope you all are doing well.